take Yorkie Lucy out for a little walk. As you can see, it's a bit of a dreary. It is a bit of a hazy rain coming down, but we better get out because I've had a lovely walk yesterday, walking around the Docklands. I thought something a bit different. Lucy loves bits of grass like this, bits of woodland. She loves it actually. This is her type of environment she likes, and I like it as well. I like nature, walking around. I like the city lives, I like sometimes, but I don't like overbuilt skyscrapers too much, like Canary Wharf, where it just blocks all the sunlight and sky, stuff like that. I love it like this. I wish I could have one of those van, and I could live in a van. That's my type of lifestyle. Hopefully that will become true soon. So that's what I'm aiming for, nice van life. So I've been a bit busy with my other camera, my Panasonic camera. Well, it's just been sitting on the shelves really, so I've had to take it out, give it a dusting and clean all the lenses and then give it a go, see what it's like. So today we were supposed to have gone to St Margaret's Bay near Dover, but this morning was a bit windy. I still could have gone, I suppose. Sometimes you just got to go and put up with the weather. But anyway, so I don't like going out during the weekend, because it's a bit busy. It's Friday, everybody's at work. I like coming out when it's a bit quiet, walking around. You get less people, easy at park, traffic's a lot easier. Although you've got to rush before rush hour Friday, you know what that's like, especially up here. We're in Rainham, so if you didn't know, we are just off the A13, Rainham. It's quite a lovely park. It's the first time I've been here. So I could have brought my other camera out, but to take photos. But I'm thinking of actually getting rid of that camera because it's only a 1080p and it struggles with the focus. You can see this a bit hazy rain. Rain come on there. There are little specks of rain on the lens. This is an action camera, so this can go in the water, so it's okay. But going back to the camera, it sort of loses focus when you're zooming and stuff like that, but I'll get rid of that and get a handy cam, one of those cameras, and give that a go. I've seen a lot of people use that, because these action cameras you can't zoom so far, but so sometimes you need to zoom, and the handy cam that I have seen is almost sold out on Amazon. There's only one, but a used one, but there's another one in Argos I'm thinking of getting. But thing is, there's two versions. There is a European version which covers Asia, and there's a North American version. The North American version does 4K and 30 fps, but the European version does it in 25. And I've heard on the forums and stuff like that, it is quite a bit of difference, and it's quite noticeable. So anyway, so that's what I'm aiming for. So my camera collection will be complete then. So I've got several action cameras, I've got vlogging cameras, and so the next thing is to get is a camper van. That is what I'm debating really, because I'm due an upgrade on my car. My car's getting a bit old now, so I need a camper van. Many times I've gone to Ramsgate, all these places, and I've wished I could have stayed. Obviously when I got Lucy, very hard to find bed and breakfast, and then it gets a bit costly, doesn't it? So if you get yourself a camper van, you can stay for a night or two. You can give yourself a shower, take containers of water, got a curtain with a ring round it, and you have a quick shower. Or you can go into a campsite or something like that, where they accept dogs. So I think Lucy's absolutely loving the exploring side of this. I'm quite enjoying it. Actually, I could have put my bike here really. In you go, doggy mess. How do you do that? Oh, you put it in there. Oop. It's gone, your mess is gone, Lucy. Let's go through here, Lucy. What this is all about. Lucy absolutely loves all this. Hey Lucy, it's called Clay Woods. It's just off the A13, and you come off the A13 and you've got a little dike here. Quite a lot of birds here, squawking. It's well maintained. Not like if you go to Epping Forest, it's bit run down there, but these little parks, woodlands, are quite maintained by the looks of it. You can see the footings and the grass path and the grass. It's well separated and a nice straight line. I think we will bring our bicycle here, our e-bike. Let's have a look what this plaque says. I bet it's about nature and stuff like that, really, what you could find here or in there. Yeah, these butterflies and little moles and stuff like that. I don't know if this has gone off. Oh, you're still. Are you still there? Yes, you are. I can see it's still recording. Because I said the screens came off, so I couldn't see if it was recording or not. Oh, yes, still recording. It's quite a sweet little park, Lucy. I'm quite enjoying this. Hey, it's spoiled. So what shall we do this weekend? Not sure. Tomorrow is supposed to be clear. The sun might come out tomorrow, I think, and it's supposed to be sort of clearish. Some sort of clouds are about, but the rain, I think, much tomorrow. I didn't realise all this was here. I used to drive past all these places. Never noticed these little wood parks, stuff like that here. I don't know where it's going, where I'm going, so I'm just following the path. Don't know where we'll end up. Parked the car. Didn't say nothing about car park prices or anything, parking prices. I didn't see anything. I think it's free. I hope it's free. Might get a ticket. I hope not. I can't afford a ticket. So the next step really is to maintain my car this summer. So get that working 100%. Needs coming up for a new exhaust. So I'm trying to not push it. Take it easy, because the last check on there, he said you're going to need a new exhaust soon, whole complete unit. So I think that's due any time now for a new exhaust. So they're not cheap on the Mercedes. Oh no, it's a nice little car. It's amazing on fuel economy. It's got 7 forward gears, so it's an amazing little town car. It's an automatic. Those days of being driving manual are over for me, really. I like a automatic now. Even driving a truck, most trucks now these days are all automatic. Hey Luce, are you loving it? Yeah, but she's not loving the weather though. She does not like rain. That's not too bad. It's not coming down really heavy, it's just fine misty. I think we parked somewhere behind those trees. I hope it's going to go round, or we have to go back all the way. It's lovely, isn't it, really? I'm loving it. Are you loving it, Lucy? Yes, she is. So she's always by my side all the time. She doesn't go far. She knows where her bread's buttered. Don't you, Lucy? She gets all the love and attention all the time. Look, she's like a few inches away from my feet. You've smelt something. It's a bit blustery, isn't it? Path there. Can we take that path? Me. Does me a world of good, really. All this walking, Lucy. At least I'm recording on this 4K Ace Pro 4K camera. Should let the light in because it's got a big, could be better for days like this. That's the reason I got it. I'll show you the little map where we are, where the car is. I think we'll come on our bikes here again, Lucy. Parking there, and we are here. And that is that little green which takes us to our car. So if we carry on going down here, it should take us to the car by the looks of it, I think. Anyway, oh no, sorry. This little lighting is this track here. I thought it was that bit of grass. This must be the track, and that's where I parked here. So we go that way. Romford Road. Really? Waverley Road and Romford Road. Picked up their doggy mess. When is this weather going to stop being so miserable and cloudy? Please go. We need some sunshine. We need some bright sun, blue skies. I remember when I went to Morocco in January. I made a video about it, guys. It's on my channel. You can go on my playlist and you can see it. It's got on there Morocco, my channel. And look at those blue skies in Morocco and the sun. It was paradise, absolutely paradise. In January, it was hot. It's cold in the evenings, but during the day it was quite hot. I really enjoyed it. The people in Morocco were absolutely awesome. think we need to go that way. Or that's right, no, we went down here. That's it, we was going to go there, but I went straight ahead, didn't I? Correct. Oh, we got our bearings, Lucy. On a ticket on the car. So I really loved Morocco. I only stayed there a few days. I got the flights so cheap, unbelievable. £33 for 3 days in Morocco. That doggy coming. Lucy, come here please. So anyway guys, I'll just stop it here for a second. So I'll get Lucy. Yeah, thank you so much for holding there guys. I had to put Lucy on the lead because she likes to make a lot of noise and she stirs all the dogs up and does a runner. But she doesn't bite or anything like that. She doesn't attack. She just goes around behind them yapping. And I don't really like to pull out a camera in a place like this, because I suppose a lot of people come in here for a little bit of quietness to keep away from busy areas, and they want a bit of privacy, I suppose. So it's different to if you're in a city with a camera where there's loads of people, or in a venue where there's loads of people. Can't help that. There you've got to be a bit respectful. Yeah, old troublemaker Lucy. Hey, Miss Trouble. Oh, that was an enjoyable day. Really was. This is I don't know, of 2x zoom on here, Scott. This is with a 1x zoom. Go, yes! We're at the car park, guys. We've made it. Trail finish. Yeah. We hope you have enjoyed taking some time out for you in the forest today. Yes, I have. Thank you so much, guys. If you want to visit, get your camera out and scan this barcode or this code, and you'll see where I am and where I've been. This site is closed till 8. It's closed at 8 PM. You cannot cycle, bring your motorbike, your scrambler, take your rubbish home, and there's another barcode if that's something to do with the cycling bit, if you're into cycling. So there you go, guys. So that's where we are. It's a big map here, guys. So yeah, there's all telephone numbers, all the names and what you can find here. Okay, so anytime you fancy, just stop the recording and read whatever's there. And like I said, scan that barcode, guys, earlier on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. From me and Lucy. What are you doing there, Lucy? Having a good sniff? Yeah, much appreciated. Over and out.